Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to delete your DramaWave account. In order to delete your DramaWave account, first of all, open up the DramaWave application on your device and log into your account. From the main homepage or the theater page, tap on Profile at the bottom right hand corner. Once you open up the Profile section, go ahead and tap on Settings from the menu. Inside Settings, tap on Account Deletion. Follow through the instructions first. Deleting your account will permanently remove all of your information and you won't be able to log in with this user ID again, so make sure you make a wise choice. And finally, tap on this I acknowledge circle at the bottom and click on Delete Account. Confirm that you'd like to delete your account by tapping Confirm in the pop-up, and this will help you delete your account successfully. So that is how you can easily delete your DramaWave account if you no longer wish to use it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more DramaWave tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.